What's up, YouTube? It's been too long since I uploaded a video, mainly because Supreme the last few weeks haven't been too good, in my opinion. Not too worthy to resell anything or to get for myself. And plus, when before the season started, I hurted my ankle, so I had to get surgery. And so I had to like save my money and shit, so I couldn't buy anything the first week. So that sucks. But I did get something this week 5. But let's get into it because that's why you're here. Oh, and thank you for 50 subscribers. That's pretty cool, to be honest. Just 50 more to like 100. Thank you. Yeah. Let's start with the boxes first, because that's what I want to get into first. Fuck you. Let's get both of them out, because sorry, I'm monotone. That's how I usually speak. I'm not very energetic or anything like that. I don't want to be too cringy as well, so I'm trying to like be myself, I guess. This first one is a Benta box logo. Thank you. No. It's the bike light. Fuck. Spree. It goes on your bike. I don't have a bike. Whoever, copped this doesn't have a bike, so. And this is what, oh shit, wait, oh. What the hell is this? Is this like a, hold on. What is this? What the fuck? Fuck off. So this is the magnetic. How the fuck do you turn it on? Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Look at that small ass light. Who the fuck don't see you? Yo ass gonna get ran over. What the fuck? I hope you can see that small ass light. I mean, at least you're gonna, rock Supreme when you get ran over, but who cares, right? Obviously, you get the 2-pack. You did have some accessories. It looks like some like holders, I guess. I don't know. Fuck it. I'm not a fucking bike light expert. Put that shit over there. Put that over there. Next item. Another bent up box logo. Shit. Same stickers. And then I got this one. You can't see because I'm dumb. What is this called? The snap button pocket camp cap. I got this colorway because it was sort of a unique colorway, so I got it because it has the red box logo. I don't know. I would have to look at StockX and see what it's doing right now as a strap. Let me see if I can. There's a color. It's like green and navy with like black. But yeah, nothing too special on the back side or anything. It's just a red box logo with the snap. You could put anything in there. You could put anything small in there. You can't see because no lighting. Fuck. But yeah, it's not that big. I don't know why would you why the fuck would you want to put anything in there? I don't know. But it has a box logo, so fuck it. Now, oh fuck. Fuck, get in there. Now for the bag. I got like 3 T's in here. 3. Fuck. You got a eternal and then faces sticker. This is the faces tee in the hot pink and a large. Fuck. Faces tee. This is the payphone tee in the red and blue. Size large. And then eternal tee in a yellow. Or pale yellow, yes. Pale yellow. Large. I would open them, but I'm reselling them, so you won't see them. What it looks like out of the bag. So fuck you, unless you want to buy it. You know what I mean? But no, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. These 2 or these 4 are what I'm gonna be reselling on my Grailed profile. And these fucking bike lights are. I'm gonna find like something magnetic to like, you know, put them under. So like under my desk or some shit. And it fucking. Come on. There you go. Yeah. You're getting hit. No doubt about it. Before I do go, let me move these bags. And then, fuck. This I did not, you know, get this week because, you know, it wasn't in drop. But this was last year's fall winter 17 Polar Tech Harrington jacket, which is I'm selling on my Grailed. It's extra large and it still has the tags. And it has like a stitched in box logo, small. Nothing on the back. I'm selling this for like really good price, $160. I guarantee you won't be finding that price anywhere. I guess mainly because they're not really popular. But I do want to sell this because, you know, I don't need it, or I don't want it really anymore. Mainly because of the cuffs and the waist. It's like it's like restraining almost. It's not tight or loose, you know. But I am selling this on my Grailed. Awkward pause. But that's it. I'll see you guys whenever week I do cop. Which will be, I don't know. Cause, you know, Supreme is fucking weird. The week coming up is terrible. Wow, what the fuck happened here? I just noticed this. Look at the fucking bags. These are fucking in the middle, aligned. And then look at this one. Like the bag's like in the shape it's supposed to be, the correct way. So it's not bent to the left. It's left. What the fuck? Selling misprinted bag. $200 right now. Bet. No, I'm playing. I'll see you guys next time.